Move it around your mouth a little bit. Come on, move it around your mouth a little bit. What it tastes like? What's it taste like? Put it back.
Put it back in your mouth.
It'll go away. Come on, stick it back in your mouth. It'll go away.
I mean, the sourness will go away.
It does.
It turns sweet. Put it back.
It does. Serious, look.
Put it back, Aiden. Come on. Stick it back in your mouth.
I don't want a picture.
Put it back in your mouth. There you go. Just a little bit of dye. Put it back. Is it gone? High five.